No one tells you this, but choosing the wrong bidding strategies is one of the fastest ways to burn through your ad budget with no results. In this video, I'm going to break down how to choose the right bidding strategy to actually increase your return on investment, whether you're starting from scratch or scaling an ad account. After managing over $20 million in ad spend, I'm going to show you what really works, what to do with a new ad account, and when is the right time to change bidding strategy. So make sure you watch this entire video, as all of this information is relevant, no matter what stage your ad account is at. And if you want to go even deeper, I've also created a free Google Ad audit checklist. It outlines all the hidden elements inside your Google Ad account that you can use, and in some cases, to double your return on investment. I'll put a link in the description below. Make sure you grab it because it's a really handy tool that we actually use in our agency every day. So setting the right bidding strategy can be a secret weapon to generating thousands of dollars when you use them correctly, and that's the catch. So if your account is new or has zero or really limited amount of conversions, it can be really tempting to launch straight into the automated bid strategies like maximize conversions or target CPA bidding, because you think, hey, I want lots of conversions, right? But what Google doesn't tell you is that this is the fastest way to wasting thousands of dollars. Launching straight into an automated bidding strategy is kind of like handing over the steering wheel to someone who's never actually driven a car. Google doesn't know what a conversion looks like for you yet, so it guesses. And these guesses cost you real money. So here's what I suggest you do instead. Start any new campaign or a new ad account with manual CPC bidding to give you the full control over your bidding and to understand your audience. Or you can go with maximize clicks to quickly gather traffic and data, helping the algorithm learn faster. But make sure you set an upper bid limit to maximize clicks so that the cost per clicks don't go crazy. So I suggest you stick with these strategies for at least a month or until you have at least 30 conversions in a 30-day period. That's when Google finally has at least the minimum amount of data to start making smarter bidding decisions. So once you've built up that conversion history, that's when you can graduate to automated bid strategies that can really become a growth engine for your ad account. With sufficient data, Google can now start recognizing what your ideal customer looks like, what device they use, what time they're searching, what keywords signal high intent, and it converts very well. So start with maximize conversions. It's straightforward and it uses your conversion data to bid intelligently. If the lead costs are coming in too high and you want more control over your cost per lead, then set your bid strategy to be target CPA bidding. But make sure you set your actual CPA goal, your target CPA amount, to be realistic based on your historical data. You don't want to set it too low because then you will just kill your campaign and it won't get any impressions. And if you set it too high, then Google will be overspending. Have a look here in this Google Ad account. You'll see that we are running a variety of bidding strategies. This one here is maximize conversions and it converts at 15%. This one is manual CPC because it's still in learning mode. This one is maximize conversions and this one is target CPA bid. So we do a mix of these bidding strategies. But the truth is your ad campaign has to actually be set up the right way in order for these bidding strategies to be effective. So make sure you watch this next video of mine where I'll walk you through step by step how to set up your search campaign the right way and not fall for any money wasting traps. I'll put a link in the description as well. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Thanks for watching.